Kia ora whanau. I'm going to sing you a song today about about the special place we all love, and it's called home. Wherever your heart lies is where home is, I believe, where you feel most comfortable, where you feel most wanted. So I'm going to sing this song to you that I wrote. It's called Home. I hope you enjoy it. Home is where my heart lies. I stayed home is where I wanna be. 'Cause that's where my baby, she's waiting for me. I stayed home is where I want.
Home was originally written because for me, home was being on stage, being who you can be yourself. And to show that home wasn't four walls and a ceiling, it was a feeling you get in a certain place at a certain time. That's home. Yeah. It just came out of the sky, pretty much. I didn't have to think about it too much, it just came. So I listened. The universe provides really well.
And only home